Sea breeze has come in, nice south-southwest breeze, probably somewhere between 8 and 12, maybe some puffs up to 14, and 29ers are doing great out here. Paris Hankin, having a great day in the breeze, has won the last race by about 1 minute and 15 seconds, over early, or actually wasn't over early, but cleared herself on the line and is winning the 4th race of the day as well. We'll have one more race to go in this nice southwest breeze to make it 5 total on the day.
Dial down, go fast. Boat speed for sure, and being able to keep yourself away from other boats so that you can just keep going fast.
Breeze picked up a lot, and I don't think anyone really transitions. And we pulled on Bang and got lower and stayed powered up, and really just started going fast and footing. Downwind, we just stayed fast, powered up, took the puffs low. You want to say something? Took the puffs low, and yeah. Next race we got a 2nd, and then we won the last race.
Other boats that are doing pretty well, Chris Williford and Kai Friesica started off pretty well and are still finishing in the middle of the pack, but they started the day with the 2-1. So I think, you know, it's probably a battle between the two of them for the top right now. 3rd is probably anyone's game. Jack Jorgensen and Tucker have fallen back a little. They had a tough morning, but they're picking it up this afternoon. So I think the battle for 3rd is still wide open. I think 1 and 2 are kind of leveraging out off of the competition. Got a much longer race course today. They're flying around, having a lot of fun.